Are you currently shadow banned on Instagram and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this issue, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first step is going to be for us to come to our profile right here. So go into your Instagram app and then come to your profile, and after that we're going to click on these three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and in here, as you can see, we get to this page right here. Now you need to now click on settings in here. So click on settings. Now we're just going to scroll all the way down in here and then click on help. So click on help, and as you can see, we're now taken here, which is great. What I need to do in here is to click where it says reports a problem. Once again, click on reports a problem in here, and then I need to click on include and continue. And as you can see, we're now taken to this page right here, and in here we're able to actually contact the Instagram customer support, which is great. So I'm going to write exactly like this now to Instagram. I am shadow banned on my account. I am not getting any reach. Please help me to fix this. So you need to basically write like this to the Instagram support. I am shadow banned on my account. I am not getting any reach. Please help me to fix this. Now when you're done, just click on send in the top right corner. Basically, I did this exact same thing that I just showed you before on my account. It took me about 2 business days, and after that it was actually fixed for me. So basically you can try this and see if it actually would solve your problem, because I did that and it was solved for me. So hopefully this will also work for you. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.